Assalamu alaikum students, hope you all are safe and in a good health. In our today's lecture we are going to study about English Literature's activity book chapter number 2. The Kite That Could. Read and understand, read this poem. Little bird named Fear. Once there was a little bird. एक दफ़ा एक छोटा सा परिंदा था and its name was Fear. उसका नाम था Fear यानी डर. It shook and trembled, tried so hard but could not fly. Oh dear. अब वो क्या कह रहा है कि वो उड़ने से डर रहा था, ठीक है, वो बहुत कोशिश कर था लेकिन नहीं उड़ सक रहा था, वो कांप रहा था. इट लुक्ड अप एट द गोल्डन सन. वो चमकते हुए सूरज को देखता था एंड द क्लियर ब्लू स्काई, और फिर साफ नीले आसमान को देखता था. इट कुड बी सो मच फन. कितना मज़ा आए इफ़ आई कुड फ्लाई, अगर मैं उड़ सकूं. ऑल ऑफ अ सडन वन फाइन डे, एक दिन अचानक से अ विंड केम इट्स वे, उसकी मतलब हवा चलना शुरू हुई. फियर लीप्ड ऑन इट्स बैक एंड ब्रेवली सोर्ड अवे. उसने क्या किया कि जल्दी से जो है वो उड़ान भरी उस हवा के साथ, ठीक है, जल्दी से जो है वो बहादुरी से वो उड़ गया. टिक द करेक्ट आंसर. द लिटिल बर्ड could not fly, thought flying was boring, was good at flying, could not fly. Tick. The little bird shook and trembled because it did not try hard, wanted to fly, was afraid, was afraid. The bird thought flying would be a lot of fun, a lot of work, easy, a lot of fun. The dash helped the little bird to fly. Sun, wind, sky, wind. Find these words from the poem that mean the opposite of these words. Big, small, little, cloudy, sunny, night, day, dived, fly. Word wise. Match the poem with their workplace. Postman, पोस्ट ऑफिस में होता है. गार्डनर, गार्डन में होता है. डॉक्टर, हॉस्पिटल में होता है. टीचर, स्कूल में होती है. और बेकर, बेकरी में होता है. Circle a 3 or 4 letter word in hidden of these words. 3 या 4 लेटर का बीट कर लो. BEAT, बीट. WISH, विश. FORGOT. 3 या 4 लेटर्स करने थे ना हमने, तो हम 3FOR कर लो. हॉलीडे. DAY, डे को सर्कल कर लो. फॉर को सर्कल कर लो. परेड में से PRAY, प्रे को सर्कल कर लो. Write 3 things you can do with these things. The word in the box will help you. Letter, you can write a letter, you can read it, you can post it. Food, you can eat it, okay, or you can eat it, you can cook it. Clothes, you can wear it. Car, you can drive it. Lock, you can lock your house. Spell right, unscramble the word in the brackets, use them to fill the blanks. Some dash of paper were lying on the ground. Some dash of paper were lying on the ground. Some strips of paper. The dash boy bandaged the broken wing of the bird. The kind boy. The giant live in a dash castle, a huge castle. The children were dash before the show, excited. Monica studied dash for her exam, hard. Fill in the blanks with AI or AY to complete this word. CHAIN, chain. TRAIN, train. ALWAYS, always. TODAY, today. SAIL, sail. CH-R, CHAIR, chair. DRAIN, train. P A I नहीं PAIL, pale. RAY, rape. SPRAY, spray. CRAYON, crayon. EMAIL, email. Understand grammar. Write the plural form of these words. You might have to change some letter. Shelf, shelves. Glove, gloves. Bush, bushes. Baby, babies. Leaf, leaves. Lily, lilies. Wolf, wolves. Story, stories. Look at the picture and fill in the blanks with words of choice. Use plural word necessary. It was clear dash and the dash was blue. It was a clear day and the sky was blue. Dash floated about like bits of cotton wool. Clouds. The weather was perfect for flying a kite. Dash were also in the sky. Birds. Rewrite these sentences using the plural words of the underlined words. You can have to make other changes. The day was sunny. अच्छा अब हमने इनकी प्लूरल फॉर्म लगानी है, ठीक है. द नाइट वॉज डार्क, ठीक है. सॉरी, इसको ऐसे कर लेते हैं क्योंकि खाली डे पे सर्कल अंडरलाइन हुआ हुआ है तो हम इसको सिर्फ प्लूरल में यूज़ करते हैं, ऑपोजिट में नहीं जाते. डेज वर सनी. द ट्रीज हैड स्ट्रॉन्ग ब्रांचेस. द चिल्ड्रन took the tricycle in the middle of the park. Tricycles. The aeroplanes was like a dots in the sky. Like नहीं आएगा, like dots in the sky. This is it for today. If you have any question regarding to this lecture, you can ask me on WhatsApp. We'll discuss further in the next lecture. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, take care. Allah Hafiz.